Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Please have a seat. You can sit in the back.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna. And you?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Where would you like to go?
I want to go to City Mall, please.
Okay, that will take around 20 minutes.
Yes, that's fine.
Please wear your seatbelt.
Oh yes, thank you. I forgot.
No problem. I will start the meter now.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Are you new in the city?
Yes, I moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like the city so far?
It's big and busy, but I like it.
Yes, there's always traffic. Do you work here?
Yes, I got a new job. I'm a teacher.
That's nice. What do you teach?
I teach English to beginners.
That's great. My children are learning English too.
That's good. English is very useful.
Yes, they watch cartoons and try to speak.
That's a fun way to learn.
Have you visited the old museum?
No, not yet.
It's very nice. You should go on Sunday, not too crowded.
Thank you. I will go this weekend.
There's also a big park near the lake.
Oh, I like parks. I will try that too.
We are almost there.
Okay, thank you for the nice talk.
My pleasure. The fare is $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day, Anna.
You too, Tom. Bye.
Let's review the vocabulary used in this conversation. Taxi. A taxi is a car you pay to take you to another place. Say it with me. Taxi. Taxi. Let's look at an example sentence. Anna took a taxi to go to the mall. Driver. The driver is the person who drives the car or taxi. Repeat after me. Driver. Driver. The driver smiled and said, "Good morning, Anna." Meter. A meter is a small machine in the taxi. It shows how much money you need to pay. Say it with me. Meter. Meter. The meter showed $12 after the ride. Fare. The fare is the money you pay for your taxi ride. It's the total cost of the trip. Repeat after me. Fare, fare. Here's an example sentence. My taxi fare was $12. Traffic. Traffic means there are many cars on the road. When there is a lot of traffic, cars move slowly. Say it with me. Traffic. Traffic. Let's take a look at an example. We were late because of the traffic. Museum. A museum is a place where you can see art, old things, or science displays. People go there to learn and have fun. Repeat after me. Museum. Museum. Example sentence. We saw dinosaur bones at the museum. You just learned 6 useful English words. Taxi, driver, meter, fare, traffic, museum. Say them out loud one more time with me. Ready? Go. Taxi, driver, meter, fare, traffic, museum. Good job. Now we move to the next activity. Fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Let's go. Here are the right answers. Brilliant, you are doing good. Now it's time for another activity. Match the word on the left with the correct meaning on the right. Okay, time is up. Did you get it right? If not, then don't worry. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. If you made it this far in the video, congratulations. You are now in the bonus section. I will be the taxi driver and you will be yourself. Let's start the conversation. Hello, I am Jessica, your taxi driver. Where do you want to go? Okay, it will be 20 minutes. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we will visit the museum with Anna. I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.